Welcome to Green Sky Keyboard Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to use your ears to find the key of a song. As you read from the description, we are finding the key of a song using our ears. So this course or this topic we are using, dividing it into three parts. The first part we are using
Three parts.
we are searching for the songs which has do at the end, so you can easily, or the root note or one at the end. Then the second video will look at those that don't have do at the end. Then the next one we are using random notes, so beginning or ending which is do, and the one that does not have do but the do is within, or the one or the root note, and the one that you are going to use random notes within the song, any note at all. So our first video, let's start. So finding a key. When you are finding a key, the most important thing you have to search for is the root note. For beginners is the root note. Always search for them. So when we say root note, what is a root note? A root note is the note in which, or the key in which they are singing in. So the particular note which is holding the key. Let's say if I'm singing in C sharp. So this is the major scale of C sharp. So if I'm singing within this range of, or if I'm singing C sharp minor, that's it. So this one becomes the root note. So if you don't know about root note, check my beginner lessons 1 to 10. More explanations on it there. So let's continue. So there are phrases in the song or line in the song that ends with do. And mostly those phrases are the one we're supposed to check. So when the song is going to an end in one particular verse or phrase, then you quickly search for the do inside, or the one, or the root note. Okay, so let me use, let's say, this popular song that we know in Ghana. Let's say Dana say Dana say da Onyamina say. So you get Dana say da Onyamina say. So I use the ending to get the song. Da Onyamina say. So that's the way it goes. So if the song ends like that, you know that it is. So this type of song ends in do. You keep that kind of last note and you do. So you keep that sound in your mind. If you cannot keep that sound in your mind, you'll find it difficult to keep the sound in your mind. Then you use that particular one to find. So let's do practical one. Keep the last sound of the phrase that ends in the do. So this only works when the song ends in do. So if you try and doesn't match, that means probably the song doesn't end in do. So let's use a song here. Let's try this one. We are celebrating a king. So this one, orange jam, yo da 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 the orange jam, yo. So the key, so you can search it for it. I like using the bass note to search for the key more than the high one. So everybody, I find it difficult using the high notes, maybe because of my bass background. That's why. So Or let me explain further. I have been playing bass before I started learning keyboard. So I prefer using the lower notes more than the higher note, or it's easier for me using the lower note more than the higher note. So that's that. So this particular song, just right at the beginning, so the do is coming. So you see, it matches with the T do. So always search for this T do. If you search for only the do, you may get it for so. So can be deceptive because you get it and you think it is. But if you ask and it doesn't work, that means it's so. But if it is T do, you see that it will work. So that's one trick. That's why most people find the key they'll be playing, they realize that they are getting the so rather, not the do. Okay. So let's take another track. I'm going through my library, just picking any song. Just picking any song. Let's look at this track. So the next thing, one problem most beginners face is when they are playing a particular game. Like this particular key, and they change the song, the person change the key, they find it difficult because their mind is synchronized with the previous key. So to get away from that problem, when the new song is stop playing and then you hum. I've gotten the do, but let's continue. So the do is coming. Oh, it's coming to an end. So simple. So they are singing in A. This is very simple. Just hum. So I only play. Somebody will think I've practiced it. Nah, I just look random. So you hum. Now that one prepares your mind to synchronize with the key. So when you start playing, you start identifying the notes that are in the key. So this is the quick way. So let me go over. You need to get the root note. One, the root note of the song, that's the do. Then if you get the do, you have to, for verification, search for the T, do, or 7-1. If you get it and it is not sounding, that makes it wrong. If you are not able to get the T do, I know the reason why I'm saying that, because those days when I was also learning for keys, it really worried me, because I'll get the so rather for the do, then but I will teach you in my last lesson how to resolve that. In case even you get the so, you can trace your way back. That's the random note video I'll be doing. So let me go through and see if I can get another worship song. Okay, let's look at this one. So this one I've gotten the T, not the do. But let's continue. So the do have come again. The same place. Let's continue. Jesus, I worship you today. Jesus, I bow before you. Jesus. So you see that it matches. Omega na. So now you see where the do's are now. I've given you the phrases where in the song you can get the do. So thank you very much for watching. So this song, this is Omeka Naya by Mercy Chiwo, and it is sung in this key, E flat or D sharp. So thank you very much for watching. We are going to see you in my next video.